Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We will demonstrate, guys, here on a 2012 Ford F-150. So if you have one of those or one that's that generation but different year, the video may be helpful. And once you open your hood, under the hood, in the engine bay, above the radiator fan, you have that fuse box right here, guys. By taking the picture, we can clearly, guys, show you now where all the fuses are. We can zoom in and we can demonstrate what we are looking for. Those fuses relays could be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. But before we start, let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the first fuse that we'll need to check will be, guys, from that row 1, 2, 3, third row. You're going to come right here. That last fuse, that's known as fuse number 51, that's last square fuse, in our case it's 40 fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the heater, blower, motor, fan. Then you have one more that you need to check, and we're talking about that fuse right next to it, that 5 fuse. These two fuses will need to be inspected and checked. In my opinion, it's always recommended to test them, guys.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.